morning, everybody. Let's go for a walk, right? So today I want to talk about setbacks, because I had one a few days ago. I was out for my afternoon walk and tripped and fell pretty hard. I've got 2 bruised knees and scrapes, and my shoulder is sore, and I even got my chest when I fell. I had to go home, take a little medicine, put a few ice packs on it, and next day, walk. That was the hard part. One, getting over the pride of falling on my face, and yeah, but I know I have to do it. Walking's what's saving my life. It helped me clear my mind, but I'm still feeling a little guilty and my ego's a little bruised. Today is a special edition of Let's Go for a Walk. It's Sunday, and it's a morning walk, and this is where I'm walking. Can you believe this? This is just a little trail, and it's just amazing. So, what we've learned is you can fall, you get your ass back up, and you keep walking. Eye on the goal, right? Alright, well, that's going to be it for now, and thank you for walking with me, and thank you for letting me keep a promise. Bye for now.